What's going on, everybody? Wilson, Zion Racing Team. Just want to give you a little quick video. Haven't been on for a little while, but just decided to turn the truck on and just let the battery get a little charge, and also just quickly check why the tail lights weren't working. I had the idea that the third brake light might have been shortened. I know the connections on it were bad. I didn't have a solder gun when I originally did it, so they were just like clamped on there, and unfortunately, now that I look, that's exactly what happened to it. It ended up being that the piece here with the third brake light, not sure if you can see it. Actually, I'll give you a better angle. Give me 1 second. The third brake light that I had put on there from the newer Frontier, what it is, it brings this kind of connection that I had to cut off. So basically it's just two little tips that come off of it. I had those put into some little wires here, but I guess they ended up touching, and that's what was blowing the fuse. I ended up disconnecting it, making sure they're off, and I went ahead and put a new fuse in there right here on 10 amp fuse right there. So now that I check the brake lights and I press them, they do come on, as you can see, and the fuse is not blowing. So what I'm gonna do right now real quick is I'm gonna take this piece inside. I'm gonna go ahead and solder wire to both of the ends, make sure it's on there nice and good, and then I have these pieces that'll slide onto here, and they'll mate these with the new wire with almost like a little piece of solder. You heat it up and it solders, and then you kind of heat shrink it so it's back, and then I'll tuck the wires back in, and this one should be operative again. So I'll just have that put in for you right now. Just give me a second, be right back. All right, everyone, this is my little ghetto solder tip that I got. Don't mind the mess in here. This is the connection, this is the wire I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. I'm going to go ahead and splice that in there, and I will show you that how the process is in a minute. First thing we're going to do, we're going to check which connections are the ones to light up this light, which side is the right one, or which one. Check this one first. See how it already shorts there. supposed to be illuminated the whole time. So there is probably something still touching, maybe in the front, maybe in the tail lights. Gotta check that out. But for right now, you know what this is supposed to be already. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you real quick this top one. For that top one, I'll show you basically what I got here. This is the little piece that I told you has a solder in the middle. You stick it through the wire so that when both wires are in the middle, you can solder them together. So what I do is I slip it over, I connect the other wire, I slide it back over to where the solder is right on the wire part, and I take a little lighter, light it up, make sure the solder heats up and the heat shrink heats up. And it solders the connection strong there, and then you have the heat shrink to protect the wire. Nice little things I picked up there on Amazon, I think it was. Same thing on this side. It's the quickest connection to solder it in here so that you don't have to bring all your solder equipment over. And it seals the connection and everything. Apologize for all the noise. It is the main road and we're outside at my house. Didn't have opportunity to do this earlier, so I was trying to just get at it right now. Just wanted to kind of get to it before anything. So we'll always see. There's a little, looks like there's a little short in this wire here. Properly, so I'll be right back with that. I see that there's a little piece in here that looks like it's a little exposed, but that's not what's causing that short. So I'm not sure what exactly is keeping this at a constant draw where it's still illuminated. I'm gonna go ahead and have to figure that out on another day. But for right now, as you can see, when I push the brake, it illuminates, and that was the important part. The fuse kept blowing, so something was still touching, but there's still something that's not acting right in this system that's causing it to still stay on like this. It didn't do that originally, so I'm gonna have to tackle that and find out what's going on there. For right now, we'll tuck these wires into here. It's not the cleanest job right now. I'm just doing it kind of as a rush. I was just turning the truck on and I said, you know what? Let me take a look at what's causing this issue. I said, let me mess with that. Get the light back up in there. And see if I can't have some brake lights, so if I want to take the car for a little test drive at night, I'm able to do so. Like I said, this is from a Frontier of a different year, a newer Frontier. If you try to look for ones for this truck for this year, you won't find them. And at least down here in South Florida, it's hard to find junkyards that still might have this truck. So pretty much you gotta make do. And I ended up, measuring. I found the truck on the road and I went up to it and I measured the bolt holes, and I measured these bolt holes, and I saw that it all matches up the same. So I knew that this would fit. It would obviously be a little longer than how the normal one is, and it wouldn't sit flush because the newer Frontier has a little lip up here. But what I did is I bought some weather stripping and I put it back there, and that actually helped it to seal better, so it's not just plastic on the metal and then water's getting in it all the time. So I did that, and that's how I got this light on there, nice and stiff. I had to get some bolts at the hardware store because I didn't even have the bolts for it. So at least now, when we brake, the tail lights work. So I was back to legal specs. Just got to figure out why they're staying lit like that. It's not supposed to be like that since the truck was in an accident. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a little video of me doing something. I haven't been around for a few days, so I did that. Got the truck running still. Just wanted to see if you see there's like a little draw. Actually, the draw on the back tail lights went off when I did that. It's just a draw on that light. But the truck is running good. Had to jump start it, but it's running solid. I did notice that previously when I owned the truck, the throwout bearing was bad, and I told the kid I sold it to that it had to be replaced. He never got around to doing it. I think it's going out for real now, and I feel like the clutch needs to be replaced too, so that's something else that's going to be on the game plan. But at least the truck is running good. Nice and strong. That's it for the video for today, but you'll see corner lights aren't in, so maybe wiring from the accident is touching somewhere around here where the corner light is. Could be. Haven't really gone through it to see exactly what might or might not be touching. There's a couple splice things in here, so it might just be that. But we'll check it out and we'll see. For now, Zion Racing Team, make sure you follow, subscribe, like, comment, and tell me what you think. Later.